Thank God.
Good. When did you come back from the city?
Last night. How did you know I traveled? Because I knew and I didn't tell anybody when I was leaving.
Oh, yes. I was here severally to check on you. Up to about 5 times. But met an empty compound. So my instinct told me that it's possible you have gone to the city.
You're right, Nai. Oh, yes. I went to the city to see my son. Okay. To know how he's doing and also collect money from him. As you can see, this is a planting season. Oh, yes. I need money to pay the laborers. Very important. That's why I went there. Oh, that's good. That's very thoughtful of you. Anyway, I decided to check on you to find out if you'll be farming on all those our lands in Azumil. Because if you won't be able to cultivate all, I want to have part of it to plant this season. Mbano, Nai, I will not use all. Yes. You can take as much space as you want. Yes. That's very lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nai. Yes. Anyway, that was why I came. So I should be leaving now. But for your information, what is it? Akuna is very stupid though. Instead of me to give you seat, I am here. Let me get a seat for you. Don't bother yourself. I'm okay. I'm okay. Don't you see I'm still strong? Anyway, I'll be coming back for that my bread that you brought from the city. So don't think you have it all alone. So why draw? No until problem. You come. Okay, my dear. My regards to your family. They are fine. Thank you very no much. Star. Okay. No star. Agame sorondi mozi na jagi maze Oshumiri neruare no tutagina Aye no no ya nefebaka nenye kine Aye bumadu inu Egbidere na jagi maze
Fine, how is the city now? I just said that you came back. Let me rush. I come and say welcome.
I came back 2 nights ago. Yes.
Mama, I hope everything you brought is here. That's my own.
Of course, you are not the who like you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How is the city? It's fine. Hey, look at the way you are just looking fresh. The city is good for you.
Up here.
Your skin is glowing, Mama.
So,
I'm telling you, you're changed.
my dear, AC was just blowing me that
know.
place. Child, this place is very
Mama,
sweet.
enjoyment fits you.
Enjoyment is very sweet.
Mama, you're sleeping, eh?
Yes, I'm sleeping.
Oh, let me just help you complete it now. Let me help you complete it.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Mama the mama.
Hi. Hey, let me sit down and rest my waist.
Mama, rest a bit. You should have even called me. You should have called me to come and help you.
Thank you very much, my daughter. Try.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama.
Thank you. God bless you.
You're welcome, Mama.
Oh.
Hey, Mama, look at you. Just see the way you are shining. This city fits you.
You can say that again. I really had my fun.
I
And
know.
that's why I enjoyed myself.
Mama, see, just try to be going to the city once in a while. If you stay small, just go back again and refresh and come back.
Fact, that's what I've been
It's
doing.
good for you.
If you see the AC.
I know.
Child.
Hey, Mama,
Hey.
Mama.
How is your mother?
My mother is fine.
Okay.
She's fine.
Ada, did your mother discuss anything with you?
About your son?
Yes.
She did. She did.
So what is your take about it?
Mama, I don't know. Mama. So this is what you mean by always calling me my wife, our wife. But you didn't tell me now.
Now that you've known.
Well,
Don't you like my son?
Mama, I don't know. Don't know anything. I don't know now. Mama, okay. Is it the one that really wants me? Or you are the one trying to make him like me?
It's not the matter of who wants. There's this global struggle among young men with prospects that they find it so difficult to get a good wife to marry. Because they think the girls are coming for their money. So I want to wash my eyes very well in the water. Clear my eyes and get a good wife for my son. Don't tell me you were not looking at him with corner eyes the last time he visited the village.
Mama, me, I don't know. I don't know what you're talking about. So I don't know.
See, I want to tell you something. I want you to promise me that you're going to marry my son. I don't want to marry the prince. I know Lolo is asking for your hand in marriage for her son, Prince. But please, I want you to marry my son. Inano?
Mama, I'll think about it though. Let me just think about it.
Please do. Huh? Please. He will take care of you. I don't want the roots. I don't want the foundation.
Mama, you're just hailing me.
Where are you going to?
Who?
Why not sit down and eat with him?
Who?
I mean, she should join you.
Why? When did the housemaid start eating on the dining table with us?
Come on. She is not a maid.
Then who is she?
She's a family member.
Oh.
Yes.
My bad. I'm so sorry, my dear. Pardon my manners.
Please. Come sit. Okay.
So, I gathered all of you to let you know that there's a new order in this house. Hmm? This house is not going to be as lawless as it used to be because there's a new person in charge. Do you understand what I'm saying?
But Auntie, we...
Shush! Just shush it. Hello? You cannot speak when I'm speaking. Okay? When I'm talking, you listen. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, we are sorry, ma.
Sorry for yourselves. Nonsense. Anyways, before the cockroach interrupted, I was saying something. Every morning, once it's morning o'clock, as you wake up, all of you, guards and maidens alike, I want you to file out on assembly. That assembly is to put you on track. Am I communicating? Yes. The assembly is to take you through your routines for the day. Then afterwards, you disembark and go to your duty posts. I don't want anybody to be eating anyhow around the premises anymore. If you want to eat, you eat in your quarters.
Yes,
No. I am not your auntie. Yes, Your Majesty. Let me hear it loud and clear.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Again?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Why are you laughing?
No, ma, I'm not laughing.
You're not laughing. Why is your face like that? Is that how your face used to be?
Sometimes, ma.
Oh, your face is just like this sometimes.
Yes, ma.
Look, my eyes are on you. Lastly, I will be using at least one maid, one guard, to go around my own daily activity. I cannot go out henceforth unattended. So it means you have to, accompany me as I go out and go about my day. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your
Do
Majesty.
I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Hello? Who is this? Why are you not talking? I said, do I make myself clear?
Yes, Your Majesty.
This girl. You are not going to last with me. No, in this my new regime, you are not going to last with me. You are not going to make it in this tenor. The way I'm seeing you. Anyways, Ngwan, to your duty posts, all of you.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
This girl, she will not last with me. She will not last in my tenor. She will not last in my tenor. She will not last in this my tenor. Not in my era. No sense.
My son, our people say that a toad does not scamper in the daytime in vain. We asked you to come back home so that when start to talk on her edge.
I don't understand.
My son, we allowed you to rest yesterday when you got back because you were looking very tired.
Mom, Dad, you people are still getting me confused.
Well, it's about your wife. You want to commence the marriage with her people as soon as possible.
I will appreciate that. But at least, you should have told me on the phone.
Excuse me.
Mama!
My son.
Oh!
Here comes the
beautiful girl.
Beautiful indeed.
Mom,
Her name is Adobe.
Yes.
Your wife to be.
which wife to be?
What do you people take me for?
My son, we want the best for you.
Yes.
And we went for the best.
The best for me? Yet, you told me yesterday that this girl is one of our family members, and today, you are telling me she's my wife to be?
My son, calm down. Calm down.
I see. This is the major reason you guys sent for me to come back home immediately.
My son. See? She's yours.
Don't touch me those dirty hands of yours.
My son. Where the baby now? Who is after me? Who is doing this to me? Hey! Someone is after my son. They don't want him. My prince.
Wait, hold on. Like, you mean the prince rejected Adobe?
Yes.
So, after all this, from today henceforth, I want to be having morning assembly with two people, and I want one maiden, one guard as my entourage. The prince, like our prince, finally rejected Adobe.
Yes.
Thank God, oh, thank God. That's what I've been praying for.
Yes. but wait, hold on. Let's not exaggerate. The walls have ears. We never can tell.
Hello? What in God's name is going on here? What is happening here? What are you all doing outside? Haven't I warned you against this palace gossip? No work to do? Is this your duty post? Am I talking to myself? I'm talking to you, man. Get out of this place and go back to your quarters. Lazy youth. Jobless idiots. I'm not going to have this. Never. Not in my era. Not in my tenure and time. It is not possible. Let me catch you around here again. As far as I am here.
I've been trying to get to you on phone. You know the Nigerian network thing is so terrible. I was saying over the weekend I'm going to come look for you at your house.
I hope all is well.
Yes, of course, all is well. This is for you.
Oh my God! I'm so happy. So happy for you.
Thank you.
Oh my God! Congratulations, girl.
It's just next week.
Next week.
Yes, next week.
Next week, Inka. Hey, we go paint the town red. Oh my God! Is the guy from this town?
No. He stays in Port Harcourt.
Port Harcourt. Hey, oil money. Egon Bute. We'll rock it well. Ah, he must be a big boy.
Oh, please. Where are you going from here?
I'm going home.
All right, maybe I'll drop you in my new car.
Your car? Hey, you didn't tell me you have a new car.
Oh, please. We got it for Christmas time.
Hey, they want to hang out. But what about your other car?
Oh, that one. I gave it to my younger brother.
To your younger brother? Oh my God. You are a big girl. And a powerful one for that matter. Ah! These guys love you.
Yes, into the car. Let's go.
Name. See, Lolo didn't want me to leave the palace at all. Left for that woman and she'll just keep me in that palace. In fact, I will not come back to the house. She enjoys my company, eh? Hey, I'm so lucky.
But she's not the one getting married to you.
I know, Mama, I know. But it doesn't really matter. After all, it's her son I'm getting married to. Eh? Besides, it's very important that I have a good relationship with my mother-in-law to be. Eh? So please, oh, see, the way I'm even saying things, I think the prince truly likes me, but he's only pretending. Yes, he's pretending. I think he's the shy type. His mom told me that he's going to keep talking to him. I know that very soon he'll come around.
If you ask me, I do not fancy that marriage at all. I do not fancy it. Let the rich marry the rich. And let the poor find their levels.
Mama, look, there is nothing wrong in the rich marrying the poor. Are we cursed? Is it a curse that the poor must marry the poor? For a change, let the rich marry the poor. See, Mama, I don't understand what you're talking about. So, what I know for a fact is that right now, I have 2 men seeking my hand in marriage. I am taking my time. Let me be looking and scanning. Anybody that shows more seriousness, that is the person I will follow.
Okay.
Just a lucky girl.
Hey, good. Daluno.
Mama, welcome.
Mom. How are you?
Let me get you a seat.
Sit down.
Don't worry, let me sit with your mother.
Oh, okay.
This one you come to my house now.
Good. This house is my house too.
I know.
I can come anytime.
I know.
But you know, my people say, our people say that when a stranger's hand want to take your property by force, the best option for you is to take that away, far away from the stranger's reach.
How can I?
Oh.
Wallahi.
So that is why I am here, my friend. So that I will take permission from you. Because I don't want to take chances. You know?
Permission quoi? Me?
Mama. This one, you're here again.
But I would have seen.
Are you not happy to see us?
You're welcome.
See your visitor, tell her welcome.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Obiora, this is Ada. Adobe in full.
Yeah, I think I know her. How are your people?
Everybody's fine. Everybody's fine.
Her mother said I should greet you. She sends her regards, yes.
Thank you so much.
Ada?
Hey, Mama.
Let's go in and have our bath and change our clothes.
Okay, Mama.
Eh?
Hey. Wait, brother, this house is very fine, oh. It's very, very fine. Hey.
Let's go inside.
Hey, Joko. Fires.
Let's go.
Mama, what is the meaning of all the things you're doing? What's the meaning?
Look at your face. Hey! Obiora. Whenever you pretend to be angry, you start turning your eyes like that of your late fathers.
Mama, I'm serious. I'm very serious here.
Neither am I joking. I am not. Obiora, listen and listen good. Your father's kinsmen and I have started talking with her family. Adobe is the ideal wife for you. Take it or leave it.
Mama. Hey.
Because I no look if hey. You are pretending as if you don't like her. I know you like her. You're just pretending. I know very soon now you run to me, Mama. You know the best.
Ma, listen. I do not want to see her in my house again. Yes. Betty is my wife.
Says who? Says who? I say, Betty is not your wife. Who escorted you to go and marry her? Who was your witness in the marriage? Eh? Listen, Obiora. Do not insult me, your mother. Do not insult me and our culture. You heard what I said? Adobe, you must marry. Whether you like it or not.
Hey God,
Your Highness.
if you know you don't want my son to marry your daughter, you should have let me know earlier instead of hiding her.
No, Your Highness. I didn't hide my daughter.
Okay, where is she now?
It was Akunne that took her from my place.
Akunne? Akunne, the one I know?
Yes, Your Highness.
Where did she take her to? So that I'll call the guards to go and fish them out. Gas!
No, Your Highness. I think she took her to the city.
To the city?
Yes, Your Highness. Yes, to the city.
And you hide it from me? Hey God.
Won't you leave him alone? He will not marry you.
Mama, I didn't know you were around. Welcome, Mama.
Of course, if you had known I'm around, you wouldn't have come up, eh?
Mama, what's this now? What's this nonsense for now, eh? What's this madness, eh?
Come on, sit down there and keep quiet. I'm not talking to you. Ada, a young woman. This is Adobe, my son's wife. Yes.
You're running an escalation.
It's a lie. It's a lie. Big lie. Mama, see, I don't like this rubbish. Eh?
You have not seen anything yet.
Say, babe.
This is just the beginning.
Babe.
Nonsense. Now sit down. I told you.
I told you that it's going to cause trouble. It's causing troubles already.
Listen, this game is for the strong. It's only, and only the strong win it.
Are you sure I'm going to win?
When I'm behind you. So because of this girl that comes here, you think you will not win?
Right?
You're a winner.
I am a winner.
A winner.
Mama, this is my husband's house.
Say it louder. This is my husband's house.
This is my husband's house. As a matter of fact, he's my husband.
He's your husband. Oh yeah, he's your husband. Balance well.
Let me see anybody.
What the hell do you want to explain, damn it?
Just stop shouting and listen to me.
Listen to you? Did you just say listen to you? You put my friend through trauma! And here you are telling me to listen to you.
Okay, please, can I go in there and talk to her? And
She doesn't want to see you.
She doesn't want to see me?
Yes.
Okay, please, can you help me go talk to her?
Talk to her what? No, tell me. Tell her what? I remember she telling me some time ago that she asked you if you have a woman in your life, but you said no. Now, what is that girl doing in your house?
See, can you just listen to me? Hear me out. Okay? Or rather, let her hear me out and hear the truth. I do not have any girl anywhere. I still stand on that.
Well, your mother said so. She said you have a woman in your life.
You see, my mother believes that she can just control me anyhow. The battle line has been drawn between Betty and that girl. Yes, I believe that Betty should fight for what belongs to her and get it. Listen to me, let me tell you the truth. My mother believes that I am the only son and she can impose whatever on me because I'm too close to her. Yes, but Betty should just help me out and make my mother believe that this cannot work out.
Betty believe you two are attached to each other. Because from what she saw, she said the girl was so relaxed in your house.
I was just at home when they arrived. Yes. That girl was my mother's friend's daughter. And my mother believes that I will marry her friend's daughter. That is it.
So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and marry her. Yes.
Oh, I cannot do that. That is the height of superstition. And in Betty's case, she needs to be close to me. She needs to be very tight to me. And she should mind the way she passes the judgment of the way she talks. Because they will believe that she's using charm on me. Please, help me go talk to her, please. Talk some sense into her.
It's okay. I'll try and talk to her.
Thank you so much. I'll be on my way now.
Alright, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself.
You didn't go to work? Have you closed?
Have you closed? Or are you on strike?
Mama?
Huh?
Can't be so. You're not stammering.
How do you mean? Huh?
You can't even say how straight. You do Moa yaya. What is going on? What are you doing in my room?
What do you mean? So what, huh? When has it become a crime for a mother to be in her son's room? Eh?
Mama, this is my room. What are you doing here with this mood?
Mood?
Mood of stammering.
What mood?
And asking me if we're on strike.
What mood are you talking about? Biko, welcome.
In this mood.
Which mood?
In this mood, Mama. Hey. 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 Mine are so. Yes.
My son, I'm sorry for what happened earlier. You see, no woman would normally be at loggerhead with her only son. Adobe here is an ideal wife for you. Don't allow that hot eye girl to confuse you.
Hey. Go and sit down. Just go and sit. Just go and sit down.
We're sorry for everything. Very sorry for everything, okay?
We're sorry.
Please forgive her. She's doing it for your own good, oh. It's for your own good, oh?
We're sorry.
Obi.
Go back. Go to your chair. Go and sit down. Go and sit down. Leave this place. I'll stop.
Thank you for forgiving us.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you, oh. Thank you, my darling.
Okay. Adobe, leave us now.
Thank you, my love.
Whenever you keep your face like this, you remind me of your father. It's okay now. I'm sorry. All I'm doing is for your own good. Yeah? I'm sorry.
What is happening? Does it mean that my mission here will be in vain? Obiora is not dancing to my tune at all. Does it mean that Obonku did not do this thing very well? Look at the other day. He nearly caught me red-handed. Let it not be what I am thinking. Hey, Obiora may be diabolical. Yes, that is why the thing is not working. Or could it be that girl, Betty? Because girls of nowadays can go to any mile to have a man they want. Hey, Ogo Nakali Ogo. Charm past charm. But no matter how far they might run, I will definitely be ahead of them. Yes.
What is the matter? Why are you squeezing your face like this?
Obiora, how many times did I call you?
It was called 2.
What is going on between you and Betty?
Did she tell you anything?
She didn't, but somehow I heard it from a friend.
Well, my mother is the architect of the whole thing.
Obiora, this relationship is yours and not of your mother.
And nothing has gone out of hand yet.
Obiora, you must do something to save me from a state of despair. This young lady has done a lot for you already, and she doesn't deserve what is happening to her.
I know.
See, Obiora, you're my friend, and I'm not going to deceive you. Alright? You have to act fast. I'm on my way back to the office.
What are you doing here? Eh? When have you started sneaking into people's house?
No, I didn't sneak into anybody's house. There was nobody downstairs, so I said to come upstairs and wait for him. Mama, it seems like you don't value respect at all.
Huh?
Because the way you speak to me and the way you behave towards me, I might be forced to retaliate.
What did you say? You want to insult me?
No, I didn't say
You want to insult me?
No,
You have insulted me already.
No,
You have insulted me already. Leave my son's house. I said leave my son's house.
I'm waiting here to see him, that's why.
Leave my son's house this minute. I said leave. Leave my son's house.
What is happening here?
Thank God. What are you thanking God for?
Well, I can't this car on. I'm glad he's here. Let's see what you are doing.
You are glad.
Come back here. Don't go. You see what you're doing? What have you done to her? What? Mama. Mama, sorry.
What's going on here? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is going on? What happened?
I keep looking for you and she was pushing me out. I heard your car horn. And I said to her, thank God you're here. And she just... I don't know.
She's a liar! She's a liar, a fat liar! Hi!
She's lying. You are lying. Liar. At the point I came out, I saw her. She put Mama's head under her arm. She was beating it like a drum. That was all I saw. Yes.
But I don't understand. What's that? You fought, Mama?
No,
Whatever she must have done, you should have waited for me to come back before you start beating her like a drum. You see? What? Do you know what? I want to stand back and use that door.
She came here and...
Turn back and use that door now.
asking me to leave because of this. I mean, I'm not even...
Get out!
You never know what you have till it slips through your fingers and disappears. No use in shedding tears.
Sweetheart, what is the problem? No, wait. How did you know I'm here?
Like I said, that is not the issue right now. You know I always have my ways.
Oh.
What is the matter?
It's nothing.
No, this is not your usual look.
Talk to me. I swear there's nothing.
Sweetheart.
Mama, take. Mama, just try and take this medicine. Oh?
But you know I don't like drugs now. I'm not used to medicine.
Mama, I know you don't like it, but right now you don't have a choice. Just drink it. Drink it quick. You know it's already exposed. The more you leave it, the less powerful it gets. Please, just try and drink it. It's okay.
And what is the drugs for?
You weren't here when that girl pushed me. I landed with my waist on the ground. I almost hit my head on that table upstairs.
Hey, it's okay. Just get prepared. Let's go to the hospital. They're going to give injection and you'll be fine immediately. Okay?
Hospital?
Let's go.
No, I will be fine with the medicine. Let me take the medicine.
Let her take. She'll be okay with this medicine.
Are you sure?
There's no point taking her to Sorry, oh.
See all the medicine I took. I'm going to be fine. I don't want injection. Oh, thank you, Mom. God bless you. Thank you.
All these things for just pushing. Only pushing you up to the ground. That's why you're taking carton of drugs. What if they give you a box on your face? Eh? That means you take a butter of drugs.
Obiora, I'm suspecting Obiora. Obiora, you sure they are not the one that told that girl to push me down? Obiora!
You'll be fine now. Sorry, oh. Don't cry, oh, don't cry. You'll get better. Sorry.
I'm fine. Ada, please go to the kitchen and prepare something for us, eh?
Okay.
I don't think I'll be able to enter the kitchen with all
No,
this
Mama,
pain.
I'm here for you. I will help you. Let me go and make you hot pepper soup. Very
you,
spicy
Mom.
one.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you. Oh, Mom. Thank you. Why are you looking at her like that? Eh? You're just like your father. You cannot see a woman's back and remove your eyes.
Did you born me blind?
After you say you're not interested.
Did you born me blind? Did you born me blind? Yeah? I'm looking. Looking at who? This one or Kukuibo.
I know you like her. I know. Just pretend.
No, mother, this show, yeah.
Men, they are all the same.
Ada. I don't want the foundation. I don't want the root. Yeah. Hi. Ada. Your food is so delicious.
Thank you.
Just sweet. I hope you will not wound my son. It's a delicious food one of these days. Try. How do you say it? Obai. Obai, no Nigerian players. I told you, this girl, Adobe, is wonderful. She can do a lot of things. You not started seeing Adobe. When Adobe show you the Adobe, the man he put on him. Bye-bye. You're not saying anything.
Mama, happen, Mark. I can do anything. Allow me to eat now.
Nah. If I follow you, how sweet this food is, my stomach will burst. I think I'm done. When you're done, come and meet me right now.
Okay, Mama.
Hey. More. Hey. Fear what? I'm not one down over. Hey.
Surprised to see me.
Yes, I am.
Well, we're friends, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Nice place.
Yeah, you can say that again. Anyways, our house.
Our house.
both of us. It's alright, it's alright. Just make yourself comfortable. I'll be back in a minute.
Thank you.
Because you be my girl, my baby. You know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there, oh yeah, yeah. I know go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl, my baby. You know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there, oh yeah, yeah. I know go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl.
You brought just one glass.
Oh, my bad. I guess I was overwhelmed with your presence. I'll be back.
No problems.
So now we
Two
have
glasses.
2 glasses.
Yes.
So
What's the meaning of this now? Eh? What is this? Hey, wait. Shift. Get up. Get up. What's this now? Eh?
Obiora, I have feelings for you.
Get out. Come on. Wherever you go, Obiora, I have feelings for you. I have feelings for you.
Obiora!
Obiora.
Obiora!
God, this is the most unthinkable. Obiora, is this how you are? This is how you want to pay me back? After all the sacrifices I made for you, I stood by your side in time of trouble. I should have just listened to Ijoma. If it pleases God that I labor and another harvest it, let them have their way. Let God's wish be done.
Oh, yes, you sent for me.
Yes. Are you done with the cooking?
No, I'm almost done.
How far with my son? Is he making any move at all?
For where? That one.
Don't worry, my daughter. Just keep trying. I know very soon he will comply. I know men very well. They cannot hold on for long.
Okay, I'm trying.
Come and sit down. Ada.
Mama.
You have to play your card very well. You're a woman. Use your woman power. Use your woman power. You know very soon I'll leave you both here and go back to the village. Everything is now in your hands. Promise me you're going to play your card well.
I will.
Good.
I'll try.
Another thing is good food is a way to a man's heart. When you give a man good food, he opens his heart and love you. Okay? Keep giving him good food. In fact, improve more in your cooking. I trust you.
Okay, Mama.
I don't want to root. I don't want a foundation.
Mama,
I trust you.
I'll try my best. Let me quickly rush up to finish the cooking.
Yes.
It's born one. Good girl.
You're welcome. Obiora, don't welcome me. Please tell me, in what way has Betty wronged you?
I do not wish to discuss that now.
Obiora, last time you told me your mother was the architect of this whole mess. But now, it seems you are letting the same building with the same architect design.
You know, sometimes girls are not what they are. You know, Betty has an innocent face, but she possesses every features of a devil.
Obiora, don't say that to me. Don't say that to me.
Do you know that Betty fought my mother? She was beating her till the woman fell on the floor and she was still beating her. She couldn't just stop.
Obiora, were you there when this whole thing was happening? Or were they reported to you?
I'm not meant to be there before it happens. I know her too well. She has an anger problem. Yes, and she finds it difficult to control it.
You see, my dear friend Obiora, I'm not here to spray you with questions. But one thing is for sure. I want you to remember that Betty has been there for you through your rough days. And now that things are getting better, you think this is the right time to let her go. Well, the ball is in your court. Have a nice day, Obiora.
I never knew that you also see visions.
I'm happy that you're so happy right now.
I am. Like I am.
So tell me, what happened?
Mike is everything you said and more. He's kind. He's caring. His behavior. You can never tell he's from a royal family from his behavior.
You see, when I was telling you you were busy killing yourself over someone who is already married.
Joma, I saw the girl Obiora married. I almost started slapping myself.
Are you serious? Is she that bad?
Hey! I asked myself, Bia, is this the Obiora you almost killed yourself for?
You see, this life, thank God though. You know, when one door closes, another opens.
You're right.
Look at you.
And even though I still have feelings for him, I know that I can be with Prince Mike, be happy, and do better.
Now you're talking. Now you're talking. Look at you, living large. Adam wait even. Look at.
I'm trying to watch it. I'm trying to watch it. Oh my God, are you serious?
Thank you.
Hey, you look so tired.
As you can see, I should look tired because I'm coming back from work.
Sorry, welcome.
Where is Mama?
Mama left for the village this morning.
What? How could she have gone without telling me?
I don't know. Maybe she forgot to mention it, but she left shortly after you went to work. She said I should tell you.
And why didn't you go with her?
Here!
Yeah, go in my house over here.
Am I supposed to go back to the village? Here! Oh! Here! I don't understand. Oh! Here!
You have gone back with her. Eh?
Oh!
That's over here. Go in my here. Yeah. What's this rubbish now?
Oh! I don't understand. I don't understand this people. I don't understand this man.
Oh, so Kiri, I never knew we are from the same village.
Same here, I never knew, and I'm happy seeing you. My friend!
At least I now have another sister in this town.
Yeah, you can say that again. I'm here.
So how long have you been in this town?
I've been in town barely 10 years now.
Wow.
My prince, we'll have to go now, you know. Actually, I was rushing to somewhere.
Yeah.
Yeah, see more of you.
Well, let's go together.
Okay.
Ladies first.
My prince.
Yeah, I'm very happy to spend some time together.
Let's see this. Wow.
Yes, you will like that.
Two things. Yeah, she will like this one. Yes. Yeah. Wow, this will go well on Betty. Yeah. So we are taking that one.
You know she likes to cover her face.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, this is why. Let's look for
yeah. Yeah, let's see. Does this have a top to go with?
Yes, it does.
Do you like it? Prince is all smiling. We're shopping for his sweethearts.
It looks nice though.
Yes.
I'd like to see Betty on this one.
I will tell her.
Oh wow. So interesting.
Oh, Baba is looking small.
What about small? This will be her size.
Chicken legs also.
This. Okay, that's good. Oh wow, this is another one. Like,
yes.
Do you think we should take
this?
this? That's her size, right? Yes. Yeah. And she is your best friend, but she's not better.
So bring her that shirt, yes.
The shirt, right? Oh, do you like the color? I'll show you something else.
Okay.
That's like top. Okay. It's still fashionable.
Oh wow, look at that.
Men.
Oh, this is. Oh.
This is small.
This is nice.
That one is shoulder.
This is the first one.
That's on.
Okay, is it two-piece? Let me see the two. It's nice. Oh, not bad, not
Quite
bad.
sexy though.
Yeah, too sexy.
Oh, Prince. Wow, that's nice. You have like handbags. Handbags.
I can show you some few bags that I like.
Okay.
Wow, these are very expensive. Oh.
Wait, how much is it?
This is 30,000.
Prince is well loaded.
I think the quality matters.
Oh.
We should take it.
He's not complaining.
Have as many as you want. Come on. We're talking about my sweetheart here.
Oh my god.
Please, let's shop.
Please, you're comfortable.
On the phone first. Wow.
Footwear
is right. Jean.
This is lovely as well.
So that's one you've been here and we didn't say. Let's take it. How much is it?
30,000. It's not expensive.
Okay.
Just pick it up. You like it?
Okay. Alright. Wow. Things are expensive here, but then
quality.
Yeah, quality. Quality things. That's what matters. And as long as Prince is not complaining,
we good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. This place is cute. She got some good stuff. People will be coming here to shop. What do you think? You know, say you sabi chop money. Wow. I hope it will.
Alright, so what's the total amount?
275,600 naira
only.
Okay, do you accept via transfer?
Yes, transfer is better.
Okay. Okay, call your account.
560085 292.
Which one?
Fidelity Bank.
What's the name of the
Luxury. Luxury.
Okay.
Oh, the KD is looking like one.
Ah, Prince, thank you. Thank you, my friends.
Yeah, thank you.
Done.
Thank you so much. I've seen it.
Alright.
Thanks for coming.
Alright.
You have a nice day. Thank you so much. Hoping to
Okay.
see you next time.
Yeah, maybe you give us some discount.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for coming.
Alright.
I appreciate it.
Thank you. Bye.
Hello, boy. Yeah, I'm on it now. I don't know what you guys did here because I'm not going to sign this. How do you expect me to sign it? But we've paid the man complete, so. Anyway, let me still cross check. I will call you back.
Oh. You're back already.
And where have you been all day?
That's not necessary, please.
What?
I said it's not necessary.
You think so?
Yeah. I don't know why you're asking. No. Here is a list of things I want you to get for me. They are very important.
Like what or what?
Calm down. Don't rush. Why are you rushing me? Okay. I need one Gucci eyeglass. I need a box of gold jewelries. And that includes a wristwatch and a neck piece, all gold.
My friend, just
I'm not
shut
done.
up. Just shut up.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear anything again. What gave you this right, this pomposity of this thing you're talking about? Huh?
I don't understand though.
What even gave you that strength of material things?
Am I not a big man's wife? As a big man wife concerned, these are the things that goes with my status.
Excuse me. I thought they said you're a village girl. How come all this?
Yeah. So because I'm a village girl, I don't have eyes to see. Like when I see good things, I don't know it. That's what you're saying. No, that's what you're saying. See, back then in the village, we see people, big people, rich women, we see them, they come home. We see the things they bring, and we hear the kind of conversations they have too. So see, because I'm a village girl, I don't know designer bag, I don't know Italian shoe, I don't know. See, please just here.
Just get out of here. I said get out of here now. I need to be left alone.
Anyway, just try and buy this one before I compose the other list. When I go out again, anyone I say I compose.
Yeah, I thought they said this girl is a village girl.
Who's don't know what they've got till it's gone.
Okay, this is what I wanted to say. Thank you. You've been caring and kind. Far from what I ever thought of, ever said, and it means a lot to me. Thank you for being so kind. Thank you for showing me the difference.
You're welcome. And I thank God we are much more closer than I ever thought. And come to think of it, do you know at some point I almost gave up?
You did?
Seriously. Just that there's this saying my mom used to say when I was a little boy, that winners don't quit. So that saying kept me pushing, and here we are.
I was scared. I kept saying nope,
But deep down in you were like,
no. I was certain no.
Okay. Well, here we are.
You're an awesome person.
You too. You are an angel.
Thank you. Okay. Why are you looking like that? You're looking.
Yes.
Now you're nervous. I can see that. What?
Betty. I want you to marry me. I want you to be my wife. The bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh.
Betty. Sweetheart. Sweetheart.
Hey!
What?
I forgot something.
Something like what?
My Gucci eyeglass. You didn't buy me a Gucci eyeglass.
I don't understand.
Hey, Gucci eyeglass is part of the list now.
Ah.
What is it? I mean, without Gucci eyeglass, how am I going to style all of these things that you bought?
My friend, let's go. I've bought enough things for you in there. Some Gucci eyeglass.
See, that's your problem. You're not a wake-up man. Because if you're a wake-up guy, you know that I need a Gucci eyeglass to style all of these things that you have bought for me.
Okay, don't be angry. I'm awake now. Take this one.
What am I going to do with a man's eyeglass?
This one is Chigu. Your own is Gucci.
I want Gucci. Obiora.
Come, let's go, my friend. Gucci eyeglass. No, come and wear it. I'll leave you here.
Just come and bring me at least one pen now. Just one.
One pen, come, let's go.
I am so sorry if I got on your nerves. I am so sorry for getting you upset. It wasn't my intention at all. It wasn't at all. But the fact remains that I truly love you with my whole heart. And I will always love you in this life and the next. I strongly believe that it was God Almighty that brought the both of us together. And that same God that created the whole world, He sees my heart. He knows my heart. He knows how genuine my feelings are for you.
Please, stop. Please.
Yes, I will stop. I will stop and then I will take my leave. Because right now, I feel like I am not even qualified to clean your shoes. Right now, I feel like I am not even worthy enough to be seen as your partner, to be seen as your better half, as the love of your life. Don't you get it? And I can't even stand your tears. It breaks my heart to see you cry. I'm sorry.
Wait. I'll marry you.
Really?
Wake me up because it be like say I did dream. Oh, baby, you look so fine and your love so sweet. Since you came into my life, everything just a flow. Oh, because you bring me joy, make my life complete. Oh, you know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there. Oh yeah, yeah. I know go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl, my baby. You know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there. Oh yeah, yeah. I know go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl, my baby. You know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there. Oh yeah, yeah. I know go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl, my baby. I be loving me, but don't say I'm not gonna fall in love. Love is my lover. Woman plenty wahala. But my story change. You got me the other today. You don't tell when you love me today. This your love. You just sweet me down. Now you be my love. And now you be my life. You be my girl. Together we go there. Oh yeah, yeah. I know. Go break your heart. No way. Because you be my girl, my baby. You know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go
Mama,
there. Oh yeah, yeah.
meet my wife to be. Her name is Betty.
I've heard so much about you, my queen. I hope they are good things and not the other way around. You're welcome, my dear. Ah, such a pretty girl.
My son is back. My son.
Papa.
You are welcome.
Thank you, Papa. Greetings, my queen.
How, Johnny? Oh, my daughter. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Papa, meet my sweetheart, my wife to be.
Oh, wow. I'm happy now.
Oh, my dear, come. We need to go inside. I have a lot to talk about.
My son,
Papa.
Hey,
you're looking good.
I'm proud of you now.
I know. I told you I will make you proud.
Oh, you are now a man.
Yes. Let's go inside.
Because you be my girl, my baby. You know, you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there, oh yeah, yeah. I know, go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl, my baby. When it's gone, love never comes back. When it's gone, you may have to wait forever, and it will never return. It's somewhere else, loving someone else. 'Cause true love never comes back when it's gone. When love is gone, life is so empty. No use in crying. Life has no.
Where are you going to? Eh? Where are you just going to?
Who is asking? Who is asking me now?
So you can't even greet.
Greet.
Eh? You woke up this morning like you can't open your mouth to greet someone.
Why would I greet you? Answer me now. Why should I greet you? Nonsense. Useless one. How many times did you touch me in the night? How many times?
What's the meaning of that?
Answer now. How many times did you touch me in the night? Am I not your wife?
Wait. Let me ask. Upon all the things we did last night, from last night till this morning, you're still not satisfied.
How many times? How many things did you do? No, tell me now. Are you a man? Weak man? Look at him. When they see you, they think you are just one able-bodied man. You look tall and gallant, but nothing did here. Nothing. Come on, small do like this. You cannot do your wife. 8 times you are tired.
They're gonna cook Igbo.
What is that?
One can't surprise him. Wait. I thought they said you're one local champion in one village like that. How come you know everything? You're just so perfect in everything. Eh? You're greedy. You're stupid. You can't even greet. You're selfish. I don't know what to...
Hold it, please. Enough. Are you alright? Who do you think you're talking to in that tone? Don't talk to me like that ever again. Oh, you might as well add the fact that I cannot cook. No, add it now. I cannot cook up here. Yeah, but yet you eat my food and lick the plates and lick your fingers too. I cannot do anything.
At least one thing that he knows how to do. Just cooking.
It's just.
Eh?
And the other one.
But wait. So how come you're not even satisfied? Wait.
What do you have there? There's nothing.
So this thing is not enough for you.
There is not enough. You are a weak man. You don't have strength.
No, come and cut it.
You cannot do.
Come and cut it.
Shut up and get out. Get out. Small do you cannot do. Get out.
No, I resemble you a farmer. I'm farming there. No, come and carry me. Come and cut it. Come and cut it and put it in your purse. So wherever you go, you use it and take as much as you can. Mweke or cook Igbo. I thought they say you don't know anything. I'm not cook Igbo. Sweet shit. Cook Igbo, I'll cover you.
This one that you're so relaxed like this today. Are you not going to work?
No, I am not going to work today. We don't work on weekends.
Oh.
Besides, the place I want to go to.
Where?
Oh.
Sorry.
What is this rushing for?
Where are you going?
You want to enter inside of me before I talk?
Nah, sorry.
A friend of mine is doing an engagement party, so I want to go there.
Can I come?
Hmm?
Can I come?
Sorry?
Can I come?
Repeat?
Can I come with you?
No. Monday possible.
Why now?
Reason best known to me.
Liar. I think I don't know. See your life. I know you. I know why you don't want me to come with you. Because all your 31 girlfriends will be standing there. You don't want them to see me. You don't want me to see them. You think I don't know? I know your type. You'll be here for me, hard man. And when you outside there, you have numerous girlfriends. That's why you don't want me to come with you. I already know. So don't worry yourself.
Is that what you think?
That's
me,
what I know.
Obiora.
I think I don't know you. I beg you. Let me not go now. Stay at home. What is that?
It's okay. Just to prove you wrong, we'll go together.
Hey, yes. Hi, I can't wait to ball. I just want to ball. Let me just ball. Let me ball in.
You want to do what?
I want to ball now. Like, ball?
Well, if you want to ball, then go to the field.
I like, it's not that kind of ball I'm talking about, John. Did you say Plaza's Hotel?
Yes.
That's where we're going?
Yes.
Hey, you see Plaza's Hotel, Turntable Casino, Desmond's Garden, Glamour Royale, Hustle and Bustle, Play.
Wait.
I like to be in places like
Excuse
that.
me.
That's what I'm saying. What?
How come? How come you know all these places?
I've not been in this city now for like a month.
And that's why you know all these places?
Mm-hmm.
Just in 1 month?
I beg you, see, at least when you come to town, you just know the happening places now.
Wait. You talked about Turntable Casino. Okay. Now, do you know of a particular drink they call Vega Sicilia?
You know.
Ibu Aburu! Ingu Vega!
Alright, just stop screaming, Joe. See, it's even though I've not been there. I know all those places they used to say do re me. Just anyways, I'll just go and ball. At least I'm coming with you to ball, so let me experience.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. I'm talking now.
I know we are talking, excuse me.
I've started again.
Hold on.
Yeah, I've started.
You might sell me in this house one day.
Just stay, let's just gist, Joe.
You know Turntable Royale, you. Hey!
I'm here, Joe.
I'm done with you. Let me! What?
Anyway, Shafta, let me to me. Please pack, push up, like, just arrange everything.
Hey! Ostaino Milano!
Really? Adabete. Let's go.
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
You look so good!
Wait. You know each other?
Yeah, I.
Chika.
Yeah.
Meet Obaino, my friend.
Okay.
And
Hello.
Adobe and
His wife.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
yeah.
yeah.
Beautiful.
My wife.
Nice to
My
meet
wife.
you. You too. Oh my God. Nice to meet you, darling.
Okay, do make her comfortable, okay?
Okay, babe.
All right.
Okay, come on, let's see.
Thank you. Oh my God, I'm happy to be here.
Ah, baby.
Ooh, so much to drink.
Yes. And this for you.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Yeah, baby.
What? Okay, fine. I was expecting to see you and Betty. What happened?
This is not what we're going to talk about here. Okay? We'll talk about this in later.
Okay, fine if you say so.
You're talking as if you've met Adobe before. What's going on?
Yes, I have met her before. I know her, but the question here is, how did you meet her, or she met you? Which of them?
I don't understand. Hello? This is a village local girl, very local, Okuku Igbo. My mother brought her from the village for me to marry. A very local girl.
Come on, no, don't tell me you're joking. Like, tell me you're not serious.
I am not joking. I'm very serious.
Okay, Obino, you're my friend, my best friend. Okay, and I just want you to get this crystal clear. Adobe, the person you're seeing, she's a world-class destroyer. Yes. Hold on. Okay, fine. She was my ex. Yes. Okay, and I dumped her because of a reason. But let me say something to you. In Abuja, that's where she lives. She's a prostitute. What? Hold it. Do you know what else? That same girl was involved in a murder case. Yes, and she ran to her parents' house in Kano. Does that make any sense to you?
Senorita,
You're welcome.
I hope you are going to treat me fine.
Well, with your cooperation, what can I say?
I feel like I'm in swimming river already.
Sit down.
Can't wait to swim this that I'm saying.
Money in my hand, back on the ground.
Call me Oriego. Okay.
Just show it already. Talk is cheap, you know.
I will destroy you with money. Can't wait to dive into this and be there forever.
Money in my palm,
Hey,
back on the bed.
you don't do money things with me because I am Oriego no Kego.
Just prove it. Let me
Oh,
see.
don't
I believe
worry.
what my eyes can see.
When I'm done with you, you will understand that I talk and swim in
Talk
money.
is cheap, baby.
I am giving you this so that you will open gates. This for you to open gates of heaven so that I will move in with my soul. This is for you. Hey!
Wow!
You must like me because I am Oriego no Kego. I want you to call me that. Call me Oriego no Kego.
I love the smell of this money.
You must love the smell of money because I am the one that gave you that money. So you must call me Oriego no Kego.
Oriego no Kego.
Say it again.
Oriego no
Oh,
Kego.
my head.
This turns me on.
Money turns me on. I am a giver of money. Have me, swallow me, squash me, squeeze me.
Listen.
Let me be in your paradise.
Now it's my turn to take care of you.
Oh, I can't wait to die here.
How
do you want it?
How do I want it? I want it left, right, up, then snake, monkey, every style. Just have me. I am all yours.
Be careful what you ask for. I hope you can handle it.
I am very strong, like Andrew the Giant.
Come here.
Take me, Mama. Take me to your wall.
Follow me.
Take me to your dynasty. Wow, I love what you did.
You do?
That was bedroom underworld. Take me to bedroom underworld. Oh, on the road. On the yes, baby. Okay, she was caught, but the case was delaying. She ran away, and since then, I've not set my eyes on her, except today. I mean, since 10 years. It's 10 years already.
Am I dreaming or is this for real?
You ain't dreaming. Get yourself. This is reality. Like, it's not a dream.
What?
Are you okay? You sure? Yes, I'm okay. You sure? Do you want some more? Really? Of course, I'm not drunk. I'm just getting started. Okay. I think so. Here we go. Take it easy, okay? I'm okay.
Hey, come on, let's go. Come on, come on.
Oh my goodness. The phone is just getting started. Why are you taking me?
Get up from there.
Okay, I have to go. Okay?
You can. Okay?
Be careful. Okay. Oh. Your back? Yeah. Easy. Take it easy.
Till it's gone, you never know.
Easy does it.
You see your life? You went there and started drinking. See what you did to yourself. You're drunk.
I'm not. You.
Come on. What? Don't tell me you took this thing from that party. Don't tell me.
No. Stop it.
Don't tell me you went to that party and you stole this.
It's called party after party.
Oh, this precious this.
Let me have it. Come on. Let me have my drink.
Anyway, when you're done, you come upstairs and freshen up.
No, come back here with my drink. Oh my God. Ha! Oh, Biora!
Since you came into my life, everything just a flow. Because you bring me joy, make my life complete. Oh, you know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there. Oh yeah. I know, go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl, my baby. You know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there. Oh yeah. I know, go break your heart, no way. Because you be my girl, my baby. You know you be my girl, my baby. Together we go there. Oh yeah.
What are you doing here?
Betty, is this you?
Yes, I was going to the shop. I saw you. I said to turn back.
Oh my goodness.
How are you?
I'm good. You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you.
Is this your car?
My husband's.
Oh, you finally got married to Obiora, right?
No, not Obiora.
I'm so sorry. I heard about what happened between you and Obiora.
Emeka, honestly, I didn't stop by to discuss Obiora. I just saw you. You're a good person. I decided to say hello.
It's okay.
You're well appreciated.
Take care of you.
Thank you very much.
All right, bye.
Be good.
I will. So that's it. That's the dream.
And who could the woman be?
I have no idea. I have no idea. My instinct tells me perhaps Obiora's mother or the wife in the village. It's odd, right?
But it's all a dream.
Oh, sweetheart. Dreams sometimes are like a picture of what will happen in reality. Just that in this case, it's the opposite. Because you are God sent.
Thank you. Well, it is well.
It is more than well. I have you, it is more than well.
Of course. And I have you too.
Betty, please, I am guilty. I am so ashamed of myself. My mother caused all this. Betty, I need you to come back to the house. I need you to come back to the house. You're mine. Betty. Betty, you're mine. You belong to me. Sorry, this was my mistake. Betty, you need to understand me. Betty.
Till it's gone, you never know true love till it's gone. You never know what you have till it slips through your fingers and disappears. No use in
Obiora, it's not the end of the world. Soldier come, soldier go, barracks remain the same.
It can never be the same. You know, Betty is the kind of woman every man will want to have as a wife.
Oh, I see. So you know all that. But you let your mother's emotion overcome yours. How can your mother decide or choose a village girl for you at this millennium age? Obiora, I remember warning you, but you chased me out of your side.
What do I do now?
I cannot ask you to drive away your wife.
She's not my wife. Don't you understand?
But she's still living with you. Even if Betty has to come back to that house, she wouldn't like to see her there. And you know.
Did Betty tell you who she's married to?
She didn't. We didn't go into details that day.
You can find out from her friend, John.
Oh, that one. She's getting married as well. And she will be relocating to Port Harcourt. But all these are not necessary. Just focus and finish up with Adobe before we proceed or any other thing.
My dear, please, I am so sorry. Okay? It will never happen again. I don't even know the devil that came inside of me and started acting. I'm sorry.
Take a look at yourself. You know, sometimes when I look at you, you make me want to vomit. Your mindset, your mentality is driving me crazy. Sometimes you reason and talk as someone that was just released from a mad home. A former madman.
It's not like I'm a madman, but you know, sometimes
you know, when I get angry, some things happens. Brain ma ko. Do you understand? But I promise I won't fight again.
It's obvious.
I won't fight again, okay? I'm so sorry about that. It won't happen
obvious.
again.
It's very obvious that I can see it. No, you don't have to explain it. I can see it. Whoever cured you did not cure you properly. Still remaining small. You have to go back. You have to go back to Eselu.
I'm so sorry. Where is Eselu?
You don't know Eselu. You don't know where Eselu is. Where your fellow madmen are. Nonsense. Your colleagues.
Okay, mad people. Okay.
Nonsense.
Okay. You know, sometimes mad people can react, and when they react, it's normally very terrible. And very soon they will soon. Okay, yeah. I'm so sorry. It won't happen again. Okay? So sorry. Now tell me what you want me to do for you, so we'll start living in peace. Just name it, whatever you want me to do for you, so we'll live in peace, and all this quarrel will stop. You know, we are children of God. We don't need to be quarreling. You know, getting angry and all that. It can cause ulcer. It can make you grow old, not to be fresh and all that. You need to be happy.
Oh yeah, get up and sit down.
You please go mad.
I'm just pitying you. I'm just pitying you.
I know. So name it.
You buy me a Jeep. I said you buy me a Jeep.
Oh, Jeep.
Yes.
Okay.
Lexus.
I thought you said G. Yam, kind of.
No, Jeep. Car.
Okay.
Motor car.
Okay.
A Jeep.
Okay.
Lexus.
Okay. No problem.
You know that big Lexus, the big one. That one that's the nose is very high.
Yes.
That's the one you buy for me. Not Tokumbo.
Okay. Mint now. Tear rubber.
I don't want Tokumbo.
I know.
I don't want to warn
I
you.
know what you want.
Brand new. Cha tear rubber. You get it? That's the one you're going to buy. White color.
Okay, white. Okay. What of the
Pure
interior?
white.
Interior, black or something?
Are you the one driving it?
Sorry. I forgot that you're the one driving. I thought it's my car.
The white I'm talking about is not milk. It's not cream. It's not off-white.
Okay.
Brilliant white.
Okay.
Then the inside. I used to like pink before. Okay, just mix it. Pink and nude.
Okay, the inside nude, pink and
Pink
all
and
that.
nude. Mix it. Mix it.
You're a big girl. You have taste too.
Are you trying to insult me?
Oh.
No, you have started again. You want to
No.
insult me, Abby?
No,
No, you want to insult me?
that you have a taste is not an insult. Taste, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. No problem. Just buy it. Buy that one for now.
It's okay. It's okay. Once you are back from the village, you're gonna have all these things. You have them. Believe me.
Did we plan going to the village?
I didn't tell you.
What?
I didn't tell you. Okay, I was going to tell you though. We'll be going to the village to see your people so I can do the marriage proper.
Is Yoko?
Yes, I'm serious.
See, I hope you're not playing with me.
How can I play
Are you
with you?
serious?
Sharp girl like you.
Wait. Hey, now, you see, now you're reasoning like a proper human being. You're reasoning like a madman that has been properly cured and treated well. Hey, if you were reasoning like this all this while, there was no point of me mentioning you going back to Iselu. Hey, see, that means proper introduction. Okay? Yeah. Ha!
Everything, Iwanko, wedding, everything.
Everything together. Yeah. I like this. No, now you are making sense. You are making sense. Because it's not even good for a young girl like me to just, move into a man's house and you're just staying there. Do you understand? You're not
good. It's not it's not
I'm
good.
telling you, I'm not balanced. Do you understand? I'm not balanced. It's like one leg up, one leg down, one leg outside. So at least with this one now, I will properly enter. I can tell you it's my husband's house.
Anyway, we will do it immediately. We'll do it very soon because as from
Next week till end of the month, I'll be very tight in the office.
Ha! The earlier the better. As it is hot. Let's do it now. At least this will also give me an opportunity to see my mom. I've not seen her in a while, so.
Yes, and my mother also. My mother also. She'll be happy to see me.
Aww.
Yeah.
Oh, Bim. Hey, baby, I love you. Oh, Bim.
I love you too. This is how we're supposed to believe me.
You do know you. You know you do.
Sorry
not
now.
Ed.
Sorry now.
I'm so happy to see you.
You are looking all blown up. Hey, you are too much. Just like your father. You are the real man.
Yes,
see how Adobe has really blown up.
Mama, don't flatter me, please. Don't flatter me.
I mean it all. See how big she's looking. Beautiful.
Mama, you can say that again. Mama City is good.
My son is trying. I can see his money reporting in your body.
Mama, he's trying.
Try.
He's trying.
Hey! Well, nah, let's go inside.
No, let's stay.
Hey!
Hey, Mama!
Mama! Hey! Mama, one big one. Hey! I couldn't.
Mama. Hey, Mama, so good to see you.
Hey!
Mama, I'm just coming.
I couldn't. Oh, number one. How did you hear the news? My sister. Someone told me that he saw my daughter and the Obiora. They drove past the market. So I decided to rush to come and see if it is true.
Mama, it is true.
Hey, look at our dog. Mama. No. Ada. Mama. Hey! I couldn't. I told you.
Mama, it's okay now. Enough now.
I said, let's go inside, didn't I?
Let's stay here. There's something I want to say. Mama?
No, I'm listening.
I brought back the dustbin that you left in my house.
I don't understand. Which dustbin?
I brought it back.
I don't understand what you're saying.
This dustbin.
Huh?
Yes. I brought her back to you. And let me warn everybody here. See, you can go ahead and do all the nonsense you want to do, all the tricks in the whole world, but do not try it with me again. Not ever. Biko.
Obiora, what is it? What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? Oh, you want to know the meaning? Huh? Okay. I do not want to see you in Abuja again. Never again. Anywhere close to my house, I do not want to see you again. Because if I do, I will bring up your murder case from the police station.
Murder?
Yes. Oh, you think they've forgotten? Murder. You think they've forgotten about your murder case? Huh? You know, if I bring it up, you know what will happen to you. So let me not see you anywhere close to my house or in Abuja with Okumbaraga again. Auto John. Let me not see you again. Okay, Obiora
don't give me that look. What is going on? Why would your son call my daughter names in my presence? Eh?
Egodi.
What does that mean? Akunne.
Egodi, I'm as confused as you are. I don't know what is happening here. Adobe here is in a better position to explain to us what is going on. Adobe, please, what is going on? Explain to us.
Hey!
You never know what you have till it slips through your fingers. Peace, no use in shedding tears, 'cause fools don't know what they've got till it's gone.
Are we not all in this place together before? Please go and tell the Lord so that we want to see him.
What is happening here? Fine then. Lolo, what is going on here? I brought my daughter back home. I forcefully brought her back home. Akunne cannot tell me what to do or dictate for me who will marry my daughter. After all, it's the prince I want. No boy.
Take your daughter and go back to where you're coming from.
Lolo, I've contacted my husband's brothers and they are all waiting for Igwe to just fix the date.
Egodi,
my Lolo,
take your daughter and go back to the city or wherever you people came from. I do not want to see you anywhere in this palace.
Lolo.
I don't want to meet you by the time I get back.
Lolo, it's me. Lolo, it's Adobe.
Just so you know, my son is married already. He found a beautiful girl to marry.
No, it hasn't gotten to that.
I do not want to meet you by the time I get back. I don't want to see you here or anywhere in this palace.
Lolo.
We can still talk about it.
We can do something.
Something can be done.
Lolo, come back. Lolo, we're good. Hey! Lolo! Lolo! Hey! Lolo!
Well, sweetheart, don't let that bother you. That was all in the past.
Yeah, I was just worried. I mean, seeing you both at the mall, I was like, how?
I was surprised too. No, we came from the same village.
You don't mean it. Really?
Yes, but he left the village at a tender age, so I heard then.
That guy and his mother showed me something.
I know how you feel. I know how you feel, but like I said, it is all in the past.
Yes, it's all in the past.
And I am very certain nothing in this life will bring the both of you together again.
Not in a million years. Not a chance.
Well, let us dine in the presence and hope for a better and a brighter future.
I see it already. It's very bright.
Thank you. I have found the person who took my baby away from me. And who could that be? It's not Prince Mike, the son of our king.
What?
But you know what? It will never happen over my dead body.
Obiora, you mean to tell me that Betty saw you eyeball to eyeball, enters a man's car, and left you there?
In the broad daylight.
Then if you believe me, you have to forget about Betty and focus on your life. Yes, you have to move on. Because if you ask me, this is a lost battle already.
No. Why should I let it be? Why should I allow Prince to take my wife? Prince Mike of yesterday. Makaginizi? Is it because the father is the king that I'll allow Mike take what belongs to me? It's not possible. Mamia.
Obiora, the whole blame is on you. Because you drove Betty out of the house. And she capitalized on it and moved on with another life. Let me tell you something you don't know. Women are like government house. They don't create any space in the office for president or governor. I still advise you don't start fighting with your prince because of a girl you foolishly pushed to him.
Tell me what to do. It's not this thing you're talking here. Tell me what to do.
Oh,
Tell me what to do.
You want me to tell you what to do when your mother was there, busy deceiving you, bringing you village girls to get married to?
My mother caused all this.
Oh, she did?
My mother caused all this, but I'll still tell them that I'm not a coward. I am not a coward.
Oh, you're welcome, my love. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. And I brought this cola for you. Please accept it.
Thank you very much. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. All right, hold on, I'm coming.
It's okay.
Oh yes, my love. Yes. Cola.
Wow, this is nice. Wow. I am highly honored. You can bless it.
Alright. Almighty God will thank you for a day like this. You know we are your children. He said, before we embark on any journey, you have already know where we are going to. Father, your son here, Prince Mike, he came all the way from Abuja just to come and inform me about his marriage proposal to my sister, Betty. I said, may your name alone be glorified. I pray that you should give them wisdom and understanding to run this race successfully. I pray that as you will go back also, you should go with him. Amen. Let no evil hand touch him. Amen. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Father, let my sister be a blessing to them. Amen. He would have called me on phone and said, my in-law, I want to marry your sister. But because he wants to give honor to whom honor is due, he decided to come all the way from Abuja down to this place just to respect me. I say I'm highly honored. May your name alone be glorified. Amen. May this family be a blessing to his own family. Amen. In Jesus' name I pray.
Amen. My elders, I call this meeting because the marriage ceremony of my son, Prince Mike, is at hand. And I would like to put everything properly in its place, especially those that will join us to go to her hometown.
Your Highness, like I suggested the other time, why can't we select few elders amongst us to go and perform the marriage rite at our place in low key?
Undudu's suggestion is right. You can recall I supported you the other day. But Igwe is saying otherwise.
Anyway, the idea is okay. But the joy of every parent is to see visitors celebrating in their homes. But we can still do it in two ways. Which is? We shall go to their place and do the normal marriage rites and come back to this palace and celebrate with the entire members of this community, with my son Mike and his wife.
That's good too.
Yes. Oh no,
Your Majesty.
you have to meet my brother so as to finalize other things, especially some of you that will go on that very particular day.
I will do so, Your Majesty.
Hey, good. I think with this we have ended up with the meeting.
Oh yes.
Yes.
That's all right.
Oh.
Thank you, my elders.
Ijoma, you sure you don't want anything?
No, I'm good.
I can order for anything if you want.
Oh, please.
How? To be sincere, do you know that Prince Mike is 1 in a million? He's a godsend for Betty.
See how happy my friend has been since they started being together. I'm happy for her.
But you know she loves Obiora, and it wasn't easy for her leaving him. And besides, Betty doesn't like double dating, as I think.
She's going to pay me for introducing her to him.
In millions or in dollars?
Yes, in millions. She almost crucified me then.
Are you serious? Ijoma, you too like money.
Why?
You love money a lot.
Why I don't go like money? Me that's just sitting here patiently waiting for my alert to drop.
Let's be serious, Ijoma. I hope you'll be coming for a traditional marriage ceremony.
You see? You say? How? If I'm not there, who will be there? Hey! But wait though. I just pray it doesn't fall into the same date my fiancé will be coming back. Because that one, I can't even miss it.
It will not. If it happens, you and your husband can come there. But wait, some people can be so lucky in this world.
Why do you say so?
By this time last year, if someone had told Betty that she would be in classic and royal position today, she would not believe.
Is it not God? Is God not just too much? Gay. My girl is blessed. I'm happy for her. My girl is about to become a queen. Ha! When God is about to do something for you, you just be relaxed and calm and you see it happening.
I'm telling you. I believe you. But the truth is, Obiora wouldn't have got married to two women, you know? One in the village, one in the city.
Yes, leave Obiora's matter. I want to go now. You know someone is waiting for me.
Okay. Did you drive?
Yes, I drove.
Okay.
Yes.
Please, drive safe, okay?
Thank you.
Barman, please, get me one bottle of water. Let me...
You have been ranting for the past 30 minutes now, and you didn't hear me say a word.
Because you don't have anything to say. You're a wife snatcher. So because you call yourself a prince, you think you can do anything you want to do. Snatching people's wife. Huh? No, go ahead. Continue. Because I left you the other day at the mall, you drove away with her. You think I'm a coward, right? If I do not get my wife in 24 hours, you'll be surprised.
And I blame myself for opening my door for you in the first place.
You think this is village where you and your family dictates what happens? Huh? I hate you. Is that what you think? Hey, Biamukim, this is Abuja. If you do not take time, I will crush you in this town. If I do not have my wife in 24 hours.
Well, when you're done ranting, shut the door behind and get lost.
Me ranting? Oh, you're working out on me, right? When you're one of them. Hey, you made this guy. Hey, okay, we shall see. No, we shall see. This guy, hey.
You went too far. How can you go into a man's house and threaten him? Prince is a kind-hearted man. If it is for some people, I know you wouldn't have come out from that house alive. He would kill you and frame up that you came for robbery or anything.
I was so confused that day.
After all the quarrels and war of words, has Betty returned to you? The answer is no. You see, my dear friend, that is why I said, this battle is a lost one. Carry on with your life, my guy. Here is an invitation card from her. The celebration will be taking place in a few weeks' time. Everything has been concluded, and you're here killing yourself, making enemies with your fellow man, a prince for that matter. Obiora, cheer up and forget about the past. Life goes on. There is an adage that says, when a man takes away your wife, there is no better revenge than to allow him have her forever. This should be a better lesson to you in case of next time.
No. A man never values what he has at hand until he loses it.
Funny. Obiora. Funny. Now you know. But it's too late to cry when the head is off.
I like the pouch because I can use it as a purse.
Yes.
Ah, yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. You enjoying? Oh my god, right? Try this. Okay. There you go.
Oh my god.
What's in here? What's that? I like this one a lot. I need to check this one inside. It's nice. Whoa. You like? I like it. It's nice. Even this one. All of the nice stuff he got went like a trap of a gun. What's that? Let's see. 30 minutes before. Oh, I love it. Yes. Wow. Yes. Like it. Oh, it's like a set. You're lucky, you. You're lucky. I love it. See anything back? That's like a shoe. Yes. That one that's window. That's it. Ah! Only you. Only you. Hey,
I wanted to ask, all the activities happening outside, I thought it was supposed to be at Betty's village.
It's for tomorrow's celebration. When we get back from Betty's village, the people that are not able to make it to our place, the elders, some of the villagers, it's just for us to celebrate here tomorrow.
Okay. That's a good idea.
So, I'm so happy that God specially made this day for you and Betty.
It has always been your dream.
It's a dream come true for me.
Indeed. For all of us.
Me in particular, me especially.
Well, I know you can't wait to see your grandchildren.
Hey! You read my mind.
Of course, I know. That.
Honestly, I am not going unaware. I can't just. I mean, you don't expect me to go to that occasion, sitting face to face with Betty, marrying another man. I know I can't do it. One day will be more.
No, Obiara. The marriage will finish at Betty's hometown first. Then the next day there will be a merriment at the Igwe's palace, your village. And that's the one I want us to go for.
I'm sorry, I'm not going for anyone. So sorry about that.
Obiara, I'm saying this because I want to pass a night in your village house after the event. Then I will leave in the next morning.
I mean, you can go to somewhere in Enugu and book a room for yourself. Just get a hotel room and sleep there.
Obiora, can you stop talking like this? Eh? Brighten up. Betty is gone for good, and you know. You can find someone better than her. Just, you know.
It's like you're mocking me for losing Betty. That is what I'm saying. Because I don't know why you should be talking about Betty's marriage all the time. What is this now?
Obiora, I'm sorry. All right? Anyway, I have to go. I'll see you when I come back.
If you want, see me. If you want, don't see me.
Try and brighten up.
I'll just carry on with my shut out life.
See, you know it's still raining. Eh? I'm sorry I'm going to be late. No problem. I'm going to be there in the next 2 hours. Alright? I know. It's raining. All right then. All right.
Adobe, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hey. See her. I greeted her. She did not want to answer me. As what? She that Adobe that did prostitution. Now she's here. You want to marry our prince. See you. The prince has disappointed you. This is the beginning of your disappointment. You've not seen anything yet. Come and marry now, so we'll be bowing down to you. Our queen, our queen. You know, come on, get out.
So, this is you. Nobody, how do you know that this is my house? That was for the man who directed me. I'm sorry, let's see. You're welcome. Yes, sir.
How come? How did you know my house? How did you find your way to this place?
Well, thank God for a young man who directed me to this place.
So now, what's actually brought you here?
Well, it's about your mother.
Now, please, I do not want to hear anything about her. Please. That woman ruined my life. She destroyed me. So please.
How do you mean she destroyed you?
You won't understand. You won't understand at all.
Anyway, whatever was that brought an old man of my caliber to your house, definitely you should know that it's very serious.
Mazu Keke, what did she do this time around?
Well, she slumped yesterday and was behaving like a lunatic. People gathered all over the place. So we rushed her to a native healing home if they can resuscitate her. While we were there, we were calling your lines severally, but all to no avail. So I decided to come.
Go and tell her that I am used to her falling or slumping trick. That I'm not going to fall to that. Okay? I am used to that already.
I really do not know what trick you're talking about. But this is not one of such tricks. Take note. If you doubt it, come with me to the village and see her the way she's behaving.
Nai, nothing will make me to fall for that trick. Nothing. I am done with my mother's rubbish. Huh? I'm not going to come to see her, even if I have any life left. Okay, let me take it again. Now, nothing will make me to come to that village to see her. I am not going to try it. Enough of her tricks. If at all I have any life left.
Well, whatever it is, I do not expect that you should expect an old man of my age to tell a lie over a serious issue like this. Neither will somebody send me on an errand that is childish. So, please,
If you insist, it's
Yes,
up to you.
yes, I insist. I am not going to try it. Okay? Now, see, if not that I know you, I won't be discussing this with you. I will never try it. But it's okay. What I'm going to do for you now is that I will allow you sleep in my house. Then tomorrow morning you can go back to the village. Sorry, my bad. What will I offer you?
I don't need anything.
Okay, then let's go inside so you rest.
Nothing pays better in this world than to live a good life. My effort to start living a good life when I relocated to the village was too late. I have totally messed up my life. Where do I go from here? I am now like a bat that doesn't belong to the sky nor the ground.
Dad, I know we have concluded that being married tonight, my wife, and nothing is left.
That was wonderful. You have shown that I am your father. I thank you and your wife so much.
You're welcome, Father.
Thank you, my son.
You're welcome. Soon, we'll be leaving for the city. We'll be going back to Abuja.
Why the urgency?
Work, Mama. Work. We have to go back to our various places of work.
Work? Hey, my son. Soon, I want you to start thinking of coming back home permanently. Look at me. I'm not getting younger. And this throne is meant for you. You are the heir apparent. So there is no way you can be there in Abuja managing this throne and the entire community.
Papa, that was in the olden days, that a king has to stay in the village to govern the affairs of his kingdom. These days is different, Papa. Yes. I know of a king that lives overseas, yet he governs the affairs of his kingdom. Talk less of Abuja here. Papa, come on. Well, that shouldn't be the bone of contention, okay? Till then.
If you say so.
Mama, I have been thinking. It would be nice if you visit us in Abuja and spend some time, probably some months thereabout.
That would be very nice. So if you want to take my wife away from me, instead, all of us will pack and go to Abuja.
I expected that response.
My son, don't worry. Very soon I will be coming for the Omugo and he won't come.
Hey, that's why we'll be different.
Yes, so.
Where is this money coming from? And what is it for?
I lied to my brother to get some money to give to you
Just so you could hold for your upkeep until we solve this whole problems coming up from the office.
You lied to your brother and got all this money from him?
Yes. Listen, I honestly insist you invest this money in a landed property so that it appreciates. That's the only way to double.
Yes, you're right.
Cheers! You are a bad person.
Sorry about that. You see, we're going to leave everything till next year because I would like to do everything in a single swap.
No. No. Why are we leaving it till next year? Why don't we have the introduction now and then do every other thing next year? I mean, my parents are worried.
You are lying, liar. At the point I came out, I saw her. She put Mama's head under her armpit and she was beating it like a drum.
What am I still doing in this wicked world? But, Mama, wherever you are, you shall live to see what pains you've cost me. Your son, your only son.
I couldn't. Where are you? Where are you?
Waiting up,
Hey!
Help!
Hey. It's okay, Ken. I've been calling Obiora on phone, but his number was not connecting. So, what do we do now?
I suggest you bury her immediately.
Eh?
Oh, yes.
How can you bury someone's mother without contacting her son? But it's not done. Since Obiora, her son, is still alive, we must inform him before any other thing. But let me tell you, you are the only one that has traveled to his house. You know his house very well. I suggest that you are the only one that will go and inform him that his mother is dead. But please, don't hide anything from him. Tell him everything as it happened, please.
Why will I hide anything from him? What will I do? I cannot say no to this. No problem, I'll do that.
Mama, don't be. Mama, Adaobi is dead.
Choma, calm down so that we can hear you well. What did you say happened?
Which Adobe?
I saw her, she hung herself.
Which Adobe?
Mama, your daughter.
My own Adobe?
Yes.
You saw her what?
I saw her, she hung herself.
Which Adobe? Adobe, my own Adobe.
I saw
my
her.
own Adobe.
What did you say happened?
Mama, wait. Mama, wait.
from Obiara's village.
Oh, yes.
Interesting. I thought as much. I think I saw you at Igwe's palace during his son's marriage ceremony.
Were you there?
Oh, yes. Yes, sir. So you came to see Obiara?
Yes. I came all the way from the village since morning, and I have been knocking. Not to know.
In that case, maybe we should get a carpenter to help us force the door open. What do you think?
I think you are making a better suggestion.
Obiara is dead. Obiara is dead, though. Obiara! Obiara! Obiara, please, it's me, your friend, Emeka. Obiara! Obiara! Papa! Papa!
We have lost
Papa is poisoned.
Hey!
Obiara took poison because of Betty. Obiara! Obiara!
Why should you kill yourself? Why should you take your life?
Obiara, please.
We would have sorted this out.
Obiara,
Why?
Obiara.
Hey!
Mama, I thank you for bringing me into this world and taking me back too. The pain you caused me will never depart from me. Even if I come into this world in my next generation, I and Betty loved ourselves. We lived like brother and sister. She never dumped me even when she's supposed to. Rather, she became supportive. All this and many good things were happening between us until you came from the village with a devil in human clothes. Will I regret being your son, or will I regret being obedient to you? Not, I will not. But my playing a good son is landing me to my early grave. This will also serve as warning and lesson to everyone.
Obiara, why did you do this to me?
Why did you have to take your life?
Obiara!
We would have sorted it out. We would have sorted it out. Why do you have to go this way?
I'm not I went to take poison because I
You can imagine.
Obiara!
Till it's gone. You never know true love till it's gone. You never know what you have till it slips through your fingers and disappears. No use in shedding tears, 'cause fools don't know what they've got till it's gone.